What if I told you that the most complicated and expensive part of drug discovery, predicting how molecules behave, identifying the perfect drug target, and even developing life-saving medicines are being transformed by AI right now? In 2025, artificial intelligence and machine learning aren't just tools, they are revolutionizing the way we understand biology, decode diseases, and create therapies that save lives. Welcome to the future of drug discovery. It's faster, smarter, and more innovative than you ever imagined. Let's start by understanding the problem we are tackling. Did you know it typically takes 10 to 15 years and upwards of $2 billion to bring a single drug to market? More than 90% of drug candidates fail during clinical trials, often due to toxicity, inefficacy, or unforeseen side effects. These numbers reflect a grim reality. Traditional methods relying heavily on trial and error, are slow and prohibitively expensive. But here is where the game changes. Enter artificial intelligence and machine learning, technologies that can analyze billions of data points, predict outcomes in mere seconds, and drastically reduce the time and cost of research and development. In 2025, these tools are shaping industries and giving an unprecedented edge to drug discovery. Virtual screening and predictive modeling. Imagine trying to find a needle in a haystack, a molecule with the potential to bind to a specific protein target. Traditionally, this involves synthesizing and testing thousands of chemical compounds. Now, AI-powered virtual screening can simulate and evaluate millions of compounds in hours, ranking them for their binding affinity and suitability. AI for target identification. Finding the right target for a drug is one of the hardest steps in the discovery process. AI algorithms like convolutional neural networks are being used to comb through genomic and proteomic data to identify unique biomarkers. With tools like Gardenia, AI, or Central, researchers are now predicting why certain genes or proteins are associated with diseases and how drugs can precisely interact with them. In 2025, this is proving to be invaluable in oncology, where AI-driven proteomics is helping identify protein targets specific to different cancers before they become drug resistant. De novo drug design. AI isn't just analyzing existing molecules, it's creating new ones. By understanding the desired properties of a drug, generative AI models like variational autoencoders are designing entirely new compounds. This is like providing AI with the blueprint for the perfect treatment. Algorithms have already designed antimicrobial compounds and potential drugs for neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's. The stories keep us hooked. So let's dive into what's making headlines in AI-based drug discovery in 2025. The COVID-19 legacy. AI played a pivotal role in the fight against COVID-19, using machine learning models to rapidly identify therapeutic candidates that marked the dawn of AI's large-scale implementation in drug R&D. Now, researchers are applying these lessons to other emerging threats such as rapidly mutating bacterial diseases. Cancer immunotherapy. AI has helped researchers identify dozens of novel immune-based therapeutic targets. Companies like Immunai are combining genomics, proteomics, and AI to map the immune system and uncover breakthrough therapies in the battle against cancer. Rare and neglected diseases. With AI, diseases that were once orphaned due to low market viability are now receiving attention and uncovering novel treatments simply by finding fresh ways to analyze old data. Computational biology is fueling AI-based discoveries. Tools like molecular modeling are allowing scientists to simulate every interaction a drug will have with its target in a human body, from protein folding to binding kinetics. Platforms like GROMACS, NAM, and OpenMM are more robust than ever in 2025, supported by massive breakthroughs in GPU and quantum computing. Here is a simplified example. If you were designing a drug for Alzheimer's, machine learning could help simulate how it binds to amyloid beta plaques while predicting any likely side effects far earlier than traditional preclinical studies could. It's exciting, right? But we can't talk about innovation without addressing the challenges. For instance, data bias. AI models are only as good as the data they are trained on. If data sets lack diversity, biases could skew results, leading to inequality in global health solutions. Furthermore, accessibility and cost. As powerful as AI is, access to these technologies is still limited to wealthy biotech firms and high-resource institutions. What will it take to democratize these tools in regions that need them most? Moreover, regulations and trust. AI-designed drugs are now beginning to hit clinical trials, but how do regulators vet molecules created by a black box system? Building transparency and trust are critical hurdles for AI in medicine. AI platforms that not only recommend drug molecules but can also predict precise dosage regimens for individual patients based on genomics. Imagine a drug discovery process so accelerated that medicines for emerging pandemics are developed in weeks instead of years. Quantum computing and AI convergence will further shrink simulation times to seconds, redefining how quickly medications reach patients. Collaborative AI platforms where biotech companies openly share anonymized data will fast-track innovation. It's not just about what AI can do now. It's what it will continue to learn, adapt, and achieve. The era of AI in drug discovery is here, and it's changing the rules of the game. I can't wait to explore this journey with you. Until next time, stay curious, stay inspired.